Hello, I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I want to introduce you to the New Ray Toys RZR XP Turbo EPS model. This here is a 1/18 scale die-cast model of a very popular RZR Turbo model. Let's go ahead and get inside real quick. We're going to give you an unboxing and show you just exactly what this vehicle has to offer. Again, this is a toy. It is a 1/18 scale. We're going to go ahead and open this guy up. This here is going to be it. Polaris RZR Turbo XP. We have functioning suspension in the rear and functioning suspension in the front. Take a look at the underneath side. You're going to have nice detail here all around the front. Of course, pre-trip inspection is always important, so I'd probably make sure that this little screw right here is tightened down before you take this puppy off onto the trails to give it a good run. Probably want to change the oil, make sure the belt's adjusted correctly. If it's a rainy day and your RZR's in the shop getting repaired, you can always lean on this guy to satisfy your desires to go out and do a little ripping. Take this thing out into the garden and you can rip around. You can jump it over the edges of the grass or even the curb. Now, an upgrade for the 2020 model, the New Ray Toys, a 360 degree. It always comes back to the front after doing a 360. This 1/18 scale die-cast model of this RZR from Polaris is a great example of the detail and quality that New Ray Toys puts into these vehicles. So as you can see on the inside of this vehicle, we'll try to get in close here and take a look. The instrument cluster, the steering wheel, the O-ship bar, all of these pieces inside this vehicle are very, very similar to what you're gonna find on the actual unit itself. The seats look like they're original as well. As can be seen here, New Ray Toys has gone to great extents to make sure that this looks just like your RZR at home in your own garage. If you own a Polaris Turbo RZR like this is a great item to have on your desk at work, on the bookcase at home, or even in your kid's toy box. This is a quality die-cast unit that has been painstakingly detailed by the New Ray team. I'm Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports. If you like what you saw today, please give us a thumbs up. If you want more action like this coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, take care and ride safe out there.